funded. I'm not for graduation. When graduation happened, I'm trying to hit 100K.
Oh,
I'm
like
talking
high
about
school, right? You
boom.
trying to get the Beamer,
We passed
the
high
Rolls
school
Royce.
already. This ain't high school. This is if you didn't do college, this is college for you. I did college already, so this is my master's degree.
Yeah, it's the bastards right here.
This is my master's.
No,
degree.
this is my this is my college. Well, another college.
Yeah, whatever. You could say another college degree. So
Yeah.
you just graduating, you getting your degree. Because if you think about it, realistically, it take doctors 8 years to make what traders possibly make in a day. So they had to go to 8 years of school. Why we be thinking, hey, I could do this shit in 6 months or a year or whatever? Take 4
You gonna
years.
trade for the day? You traded 9, so you gonna trade on the 30?
Who me?
No, it's gonna be a breakout day.
Yeah.
It took out the Asians. It took out the high of Asians, and now it's gonna be a breakout day. If it breaks out of that daily high or low, because of that strong momentum.
This shit falling right now.
Yeah, it's for me. I'm done. I'm done. Hey, I
That's
already
it,
got
for
my. I'm
the
done. you know me, bro. I'm done. That's it. I don't need nothing else. I'm done.
Oh, wow.
That's it. Yeah. I'm here chilling, man. I want to see y'all win now. Get your
Type
money,
shit.
man. Type shit.
Yo, yesterday the play was so fucking accurate, bro. Did you see what the rest of the day did? She
Nothing.
literally ran the whole play. The whole play that I
What
saw.
was your play? What was your play? Because
Right,
that shit did nothing.
I caught the first you got the little buy up into the thing to get the massive sell down. Then remember where you took the sell at the lows? And I was like, nah, this is the sweep of lows. Now I'm looking to take it back up. But I ain't take no more. I was done. I already caught my 3 trades. I was trying to take them. But I'm like, nah, we might head up because we just swept lows. Head up to possibly
talking
gonna
about
make
30?
a head.
30.
Yeah. Look, possibly head up to go possibly make a head.
This boom head
Ahead.
boom.
Or
This is
that
you
high
mean the
there.
right shoulder?
Yeah, sorry, right shoulder.
Oh, okay.
Look like a whole nother mini head and shoulders within the right shoulders, though, don't it?
If you probably look on the high time frame, maybe.
All right there. I was looking on the hour.
Yeah.
Right up the hour. Perfect.
True. On the hour, I can see it.
Fucking went up, and then we came down, made the right shoulder, came right back down.
But the truth is, the head and shoulders was created from yesterday. It
That's
just
not
didn't
it.
fully.
But I was saying, you know what I like to look at?
What?
She fucking does the same patterns over and over so much that she really be doing them within the bigger pattern. Like you'll see a little one within the biggest one.
Within
like
the bigger one. That's a fact.
Yo.
That's a fact.
Like, yo, you so simple, bitch. I see what you doing.
It's real simple. It's just we make it complicated. That's what I always say. Is us.
Nah, it's not even. It just be the manipulation make it complicated.
It's not the manipulation. It's manipulation, true. But it's, as we said, we identify the pattern already. So if we're wrong, sometimes it's us because we're trying to be right. We gotta be right. So we make it harder than it is. If you're wrong, take the day off. It's cool. Or not take the day off. You already lost. Walk away. It's cool. I lost yesterday. I walked away. Came back today. I won in 5 minutes. Shit isn't. It happens, bro. It happens. Like, it's not gonna be every day crystal clear. Every day's crystal clean. You just come and take whatever you get. Walk away. Look at that TP2. TP2, bro. That's crazy.
No, I mean to add to that. I ain't gonna say to add to that. I think I think it's just me. I heard this so many times. The body tells the story. The candles do the wicks do the damage. Body tells the story. The wicks do the damage.
That's a fact. I ain't never heard that, but that's a big fact.
That's why I always just mark up the bodies. Like if you see on the 1 hour, I only mark up body highs and body lows. I don't really mark up the wick highs.
I mark up wick highs.
Nah, I don't mark up wick highs because the wick highs is just what it went to take out. It's like maybe some liquidity.
That's what I look to take my entries off of, though.
You try to take it off the wicks?
Highs and the lows, because it's like, okay, we might run through it, of course. You know, she's gonna run through them, of course. But it's like, if she don't break them within that 5 to 10 minutes that she's like at a high or low, you know we turtle souping. Like we pin barring and we fiercely going the other way every time. Literally every time. Especially if we chilling at a high or low. So you know when we break structure, we actually supposed to break it and go make a new high or low. So we supposed to
That's
we
it.
just
I always focus on.
You know
Did it
what
break
turtle
structure?
is?
so it's like if we go to high or low and we don't break that shit with the force and we chilling, I'm looking to take the rejection every time.
I'm
'Cause
not
it's
gonna
like
cap.
chilling.
That's
We
exactly how I
chilling.
look at it, bro.
I mean, that's like, alright, we don't really want to go this way because if we honestly were supposed to break it this way, we would not stop right now. We would go make a whole new high or low
That's
based
a
on which
fact.
way we break.
But sometimes you already be in the trade expecting the highs to be
Oh no,
or
yeah,
the
that's a
lows to be
fact. That's a
broken,
fact.
and then it start chilling, and you're like, fuck.
But right there, that's what I hate those points. Right there, that's when we start to make it complicated because now I got you thinking
It
like,
got you
shit.
thinking like, should I
Every time you
close?
chill, bro, you violate. Like I don't even know if I want to. I don't even know if I want to stay in my trade no more. You just maybe change. That's bro. I could change my whole analysis real quick because it'd be like, yo, nah, it look funny now. Hold on.
Not
Like,
gonna lie to you.
she just did something crucial within 5 minutes that means something. Man, I gotta change the whole analysis. Fuck.
But I don't change my whole analysis within the trade. It has to
Well,
be like
you got the overall goal. From
the
you,
trade
like you
is
said, the
closed.
hour. Like up there, that fit. Nah, yeah, that's not coming to move. That's far up there.
That's
right?
far up there. So this is probably not gonna get touched no
That's
time soon.
far.
This is far. So I'm now looking for lows to be broken. But as I told you yesterday, I seen all of these lows, bro. You seen Friday lows is right here. So we had yesterday was Monday, Friday lows, Thursday lows, freaking Wednesday, Tuesday. All of these lows is right here, bro. So it can what's under lows? Sell side, buy side liquidity. Everybody already put their stops losses down here. So it's coming for that. It's gonna come take that shit.
Yeah,
Man,
that's
that's
what
what
I'm
you include.
and I'll be
That's
putting my
what you include
limits.
the body. What
I
you
put my
just
limits
said
in.
was my bad. What you just said was important. That's why you want to include the wicks too. Like
Yeah.
she not involving
I
the
just
stock.
like because she gonna go there, you know the fact that she gonna go there. That's like, alright.
Now I don't include the wicks for that exact reason because, as you said, the body tells the story. The wicks do the damage. So if the wicks already did the damage, I'm only focused on what the next like where it's going to go next. Because sometimes they don't always just go for the wicks and take it out. It's usually go for the body because that's where it closed at.
That's true.
No, but when you go to the lower time frame, you see the candles. You see all types of candles and whatnot. Or you see the engulfing candles and whatnot.
I just be following it like by body closures of the high and the low. That's how I follow the trend. You see all these red lines. It tell me it went all the way down and now it's starting to go back up and now it's starting to go back down because it started to break all of the lows that were at. You could call the lows right now as a support level and it didn't break there. Now it broke all of that. So I'm expecting it to keep going lower for whatever target that it wants to go.
I wait.
Yeah, because
I wait for close in the higher time frames, like the hours and shit. Like,
but yesterday already did it. Yesterday it did it. So I didn't need no confirmation. Yesterday already closed underneath it.
Nah, not yet.
You know why you're going for the sell? It's because it failed to create a higher high. But it didn't even my things. It didn't create like a 50% swing or 50% before it create that lower low. It just created now a lower low or equal low.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I agree with him. Meaning like you didn't get a full closure under there. Like if we do close under there, we gotta like stay under there. Like
without pulling back up, but it didn't create a new high. It didn't create that. You can only say that if it created it. It didn't create a new. It didn't create a new high.
If we don't create a new low or a new high, well, this is how I trade. I like.
Okay.
I like to trade level to level, like zone to zone. You know, I like to focus on price action. Mm-hmm. So it's like if we don't break one level, we gonna go we always travel from level to level. You know, that's why I be looking for TP 56, you know?
Right.
Because I'm always at the top or the bottom. I need the entire opposite. I need the whole range. Give me that.
You actually don't, but I got you.
Another thing to look at, as well, anytime you see an engulfing candle, that's a sign that they're going to take the money and then move the money. In order to move the money in the market, the money got to be taken. Right, wrong, or indifferent. I mean, you could be in the right, and it don't matter if you're on the right side of the market or the wrong side of the market. It's just someone's money has to be taken in order for the money to move. No, literally.
No, that's just how it is. That's literally.
Think of it like water. Like you got to take some water, pull some water before you can push the water.
That's how the market is. It's a zero sum game. Someone has to lose for you to win. Someone wins when you lose. That's just how it is. It's a pull and push type of game.
But no, I think there's
Like,
situations
you
where
might be
everybody
onto
loses.
something. This
But
shit really might go. Hold on.
That shit might really go lower,
The
bro.
candles, yeah, the candles those are some strong candles.
Hey, bro, when we see
look at
930, we be like,
the
That
damn.
right shoulder is strong. Candles is talking right now. Like, not really
Either
with a lot.
either
But
the
we got
930
to
come back for
what
that.
I was gonna say. Yeah, what I was gonna say was, no, there's situations where everybody win and nobody loses. But you're gonna have a situation where somebody's gonna have to lose in the market.
Somebody's losing right now. Somebody is definitely losing right now. Somebody put their stop losses under here. That's why I keep telling you, all of these lows right here, they're all at the same place. Somebody put their stop losses under here. Because this was supposed to be used as support. Somebody
that's
put
what I'm
their
saying.
stop loss
That's why
under
niggas
here.
was worried about the buy.
You see
Like,
that? Somebody
hold on.
look at all of
Like,
these lows. They're right at the same spot. Somebody put their stop loss here. They're getting fried right now. I'm telling you, that 930. I don't know for sure, but high
Now
possibility.
this got me thinking about it now because it's like, okay, I was jacking the candles, but now because I want to wait for an hour close. But like, if I'm gonna take a sell at a low or a buy at a high, I need the hour close of the low or the high. That's the only way I'm gonna take it that way. That's the damn. 'Cause I hate selling low and buying high, bro. Every time I did it, I died.
I'm not gonna cap. I be doing that.
But
I be doing that. I be selling low and buying high. I'm not gonna cap.
it's like, but because we're not gonna get an hour close till 10, and opening bell is a whole.
It's not opening bell. It's not a
this
good.
whole shit look different.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a good depiction of what's really
My whole
happening.
thing, though, my whole thing is, I want to see at least create a structure first, and then take out either the internal liquidity or external liquidity.
Yeah, that's a fact.
The only thing I can see right now.
Rejecting that low.
Only thing I can see right now is that big fear value gap that was left on the 1 hour when the market started dropping. It could come back and take this out and then continue dropping, possibly, but it could do that with one candle, just boom, boom. It could do that on the open.
That's a fact.
Oh yeah, but here's the thing: is FOMC is coming tomorrow. Since FOMC is coming tomorrow, I don't think it's gonna do much anything till tomorrow.
No, you'll be surprised, bro. You'll be surprised. Yesterday did nothing though. Yesterday fucking did nothing. It stated so. It was trash, bro. Yeah, Roger is a scalper, so you caught a good scalp move, but I don't really scalp, so it's harder for me to catch a move on a 5 minute when it does nothing.
Oh no, I realize if it's a scalper's day, if it's gonna be a scalping day, you look for the market to take out the external liquidity, and don't even worry about the internal liquidity, which it did yesterday. I was like, nah, I'm not gonna cat, I'm not gonna do anything. So I know it's gonna be a
say
scalper.
I'm full of scalper right now. I would say I'm like scalper I'm more so an intraday trader, but I'm a scalp it into the intraday trader because I take the higher or the lower range.
No, okay. Here's what I mean. So, or like for example, yesterday, right? If you would have tried to trade the internal liquidity, yeah, you would have been caught in a fucking bloodbath. But since it went in and took out the external liquidity, which was on Friday's low, you could have got a good cool little 100-some points,
cool little
50
buy up.
points out of it. Yeah.
I was expecting it to go lower though because I seen all those extra lows that it could have just easily took. But hey, as I said, it happened.
Like shit. Nah, but yeah, bro. She literally ran the whole play. That's what I was saying. You see how y'all looked at yesterday as ugly as fuck? Yesterday was clean as fuck. She ran.
But it was cool to me, man, because I was thinking, here's the thing, before New York came in, I think it's gonna be some bullshit. Then when New York kicked in, I was like, oh, okay, didn't expect that.
Nah, New York came in with some bullshit.
I literally called. I had the whole play. What I had her doing for the day, she did it. It's like I'm jacking. Well, like I said, I don't be risking much.
Well, you gonna have to start risking much eventually to be able to graduate. I'm not gonna cap. You gotta graduate with.
Either when I say I risk it much, I don't risk it points. I get it from the points.
Uh, oh, and that's
I
you
like to
mean.
stay on the smaller side account because like it's the same thing when you trade on a high size account. So once you get the point concept quickly, no matter even if I'm walking in there on 100K, if I start doing this on 100K, the way I'm gonna be flipping these accounts is crazy. And then even when I'm losing, I'm not risking much. Like I don't really be risking nothing more than 30 points, to be honest.
But
Here's
30
the thing
points.
about
Huh?
30.
this thing about smaller accounts. The thing about smaller accounts is you have to look for A+ setups. You can't just, you know what I'm saying,
Not
look
necessarily.
C+ setups. Like, not, I'm no. It's what I mean by that. What I'm saying is, you gotta have the discipline. You gotta have the patience because you have to be okay with making slow money.
I
Yeah.
know.
Rather versus on a big account, okay, you could, take
Yo,
as much
whoa.
trades as you can.
Nas went dirty. Nas went crazy. TP3 on Nas. Nas went crazy.
Break out the
Nas went
took out that
crazy.
internal liquidity. Yeah, it took out the internal liquidity. From the Asian high, to Asian low. Now you giving you that huge breakout. So
I was gonna take either the Nas or the US30. They both look clean to me. I just wanted to go with 30 because I just felt like it was gonna move faster, which it usually does. Nas also have that clean fair value gap that if it doesn't want to turn around back to, it could. But as I said, I don't think none of that happening today.
see, that's that 50% I'm concerned about. You know what I'm saying? It's
What?
not creating a proper structure. I mean, I know I'm saying the same thing over and over again, but that's why I'm not vibing with it.
I always say, bro, every day's not a trading day. If you don't like the setup, you don't like how it's looking, don't trade. It's okay, bro. It's definitely okay to just not do nothing for that day. Definitely okay. You'll see tomorrow. I won't do anything because I don't trade. I don't trade on Wednesdays. Aaliyah. Yeah, I don't trade on Wednesdays. You'll see, bro. No, every day is just not a trading day, in my opinion. But Roger thinks every day is a trading day. Roger just not.
No, I fucking love Wednesdays. What the fuck? Well, not all Wednesdays,
No.
but the Wednesdays that do, that's where you get most of the pips in that sometimes.
Cap. Well, all right, maybe for you.
I feel like it just goes for your trader style, you know?
Yeah, it's just a trading
It's the
style.
opportunity literally presented every day. Well, it's just because oh my God, she's falling. I seen this.
Bro, she's telling you, she TP3, TP. I told you it's going to take all of these lows. You see all of those lows in that purple
Well,
box?
this is before the bell. That gotta be
all of
like, hey, what the bell got for us? Like,
Bro, the bell probably just reversed. It's taking everything, bro. It's taking all of those lows. Tell you there's so much liquidity under those lows is coming for that. Maybe the bell just go crazy. Maybe. Everybody making money off it. Everybody making money off of 30, man. This nigga Lambo Raul just posted his trades on 30. Was his NAS or 30? I'm not sure what it is. He traded.
Pissed. Oh yeah, the thing. Oh, I know why I didn't take the trade. It's because
That's
I was just
in
seeing
the mornings is waking up and seeing your trade played out beautifully. I held this position throughout this entire consolidation. I started entering the
He's trading NAS.
See, man, I'm not trying to trade. It turned like that. But it be simple. I'm not trying to trade during a range or liquidity. I'm just gonna say I'm not trying to trade the range. I want to see it take out the high of the range or low of that range and then continue on. No, I seen it take out from there. Oh yeah, the thing that threw me off was the London range.
the London sweep.
Yeah, man.
That's what me and my guys call it. The London sweep. London sweep to the turtle soup.
Went forward.
Oh, so you know the turtle soup?
Of course. That's all. Yo, that's the number one move I'm taking over anything.
Oh yeah, you know some people call it the M's and W. That's another M and oh yeah, that's an M and W pattern, but this time with a takeout. That's what a turtle soup is.
Yo, bro, I be so like, all you need is one nigga. That shit could change your.
Oh shoot, let me show you.
Yo, like that's the beauty of that move. All you need is one. You could die all week.
Bro,
All you need is one of them shits.
there's a Head and Shoulders within a Head and Shoulders, bro. Look at
Yeah,
this.
That's what I was talking about, bro. That's
Yo,
it.
I can draw a picture.
You
I
see
could
what I was
draw a picture
saying?
on the screen.
What you said?
Oh, what the turtle soup is.
What you said?
Let's like draw a picture on the screen. What the turtle soup is.
Sure. I don't care.
Okay, look, this is the turtle soup. It's basically M and W. This is the takeout right here. Yep, that's the turtle soup.
That's what I just said. It's a Head and Shoulders within the Head and Shoulders. So this is like a
Yeah, that's what I was talking about
bigger Head and Shoulders.
earlier. I was like, yo, look how she made a Head and Shoulders. That's how I say she went up and made the head. But I was like, nah, I'm talking about that first initial bite in the middle. Or
This
on that right shoulder.
This is a big Head and Shoulders, but then it
Right
created
there.
another
Right,
Head
bro,
and Shoulders
right there.
there.
That's what I was talking about when I said she made the head. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
It was like I had the hour order block right there.
If it
You
come
went
and
right-
break under these lows right here, under where it made the yesterday shoulders, it's going to, bro. Just forget about it. That
Here's
shit.
the thing.
You
Here's
just
the
got
whole.
saluted for the day. Just, you
Yo,
missed.
here's the whole thing about it. With that, I want to see displays from that middle. Like I want to see displays from. Hold on. If I could draw a pen. Yeah, I want to see this break displays from there. Then I'll see continuation for the sell. If I don't see that, I'm not doing nothing. But that's a higher time frame though.
I feel like
I mean, but the key thing you want to look at is, okay, the key thing you want to look at is that high gain taken out and displacement, like you know what I'm saying, a displacement, and then 50% from here and a continuation.
yeah.
I hope what I'm saying don't go over your heads, man.
I know
No,
that,
bro.
bro.
It's ICT content.
I trade ICT too, so
I know ICT. Do I trade it? No. I know ICT concept. That's why I said it's like a combination of all the knowledge that I've accumulated over 3 years. I don't necessarily trade ICT because he doesn't trade like how I do. I call myself a breakout trader.
It's an M and W. It's all it is you want to see a awkward M. Pretty much, you want to see the second leg. Okay, on the M, right? You want to see the second leg higher than the first leg. Or on a W, you want to see the same way. You want to see the second leg lower than the first leg, and then you want to see a retracement of that W, the top of that W, happen like the equal highs, pretty much the equal highs of that W, and going on that direction, or vice versa. Same thing on the M. You want to see the equal, well, not the M, but like a displacement from that M, and continuing on, continuing on from there. Hope what I'm saying doesn't sound confusing, pretty much.
I get what you mean, bro.
I feel like when I be explaining these stuff, I simplify all the terms so that when I'm explaining it to people, understand it as simple as how I keep it as simple for me. I literally call the highs and lows the floors in the ceiling. You see?
Oh, you know, I'm gonna draw.
When I'm explaining turtle soup to people, I say, yo, whichever one we sweep first, we going to sweep the other right after.
Oh, okay. I can draw a picture right now what I'm talking about. It's
Not
in the real
necessarily. It doesn't just go for the floor and
quick. Oh,
then
you
go
know
for
what?
the
Do it in
ceiling.
the chat.
It doesn't
You said?
necessarily
Put it
do
in the chat.
that. It doesn't necessarily go for the floor and then go for the ceiling. It don't do
No,
that.
I said whichever way it sweeps first, we're going to sweep the other next. So if
Yeah, I
we
know.
sweep first, we're going for highs. If we sweep highs first, we're going for lows right after.
Oh, that's what you mean.
That's the simplest way you could simplify it for somebody. Turtle soup, nigga. Go for some highs and lows, and we going for the other one right after. Whichever
It does do it. It's just about timing, bro. Timing be.
No, bro, it's gonna do it.
It's gonna do it, but it's about timing. Can you time it? But you can't always time it correctly because sometimes I see what you're talking about. You can see it all right here, where
That's what
it
I said,
first came for the head.
Just set the limit at the highs or the lows, and then at that, you don't. What I love about this trade is you don't even got to risk that much. You could risk max 20. Because it's like, okay, if we get down there, that's a clear break of structure. But the turtle soup that's just a quick sweep out, dive down, and then you get the instant rejection. That turtle soup is instant. That shit. Once you see that fucking, them candles start going in one direction, non-stop. non-stop.
I think the seller is holding it down. It ain't going cap.
I don't even know what's about to go on right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
We got less than 5, bro. We got like 4
Yeah,
minutes.
no.
So you
She
about to
not
see.
showing me nothing. Like, get in right now. So
I'm telling you, it's gonna go. Either it pulled back for the
they'll pull back for the sale. That's the only thing I see.
pull
right
back
now.
for the sell, but for buys,
You see what I put on the Telegram? That's what it is. That's
that's
all
what
you gotta
you're talking
focus
about.
on. It's easy. That's all you
That's
gotta
just
focus
break
on.
of structure retest. That's you saying it in an ICT form, but if you say it in like a different form, like break of structure retest, that's what it looks like to me. Broke structure, retested it, it's gone.
Type shit. I call it the breaker.
Yeah, broke structure, retest, gone.
No, I know that, but you gotta work. No, you don't want to just take random M's and W's because if you just take random M, you gotta see the takeout first. If you don't see the takeout first, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, today was an eat day, bro. I'm not gonna. That's why I usually just like trading when there's news, bro. I think I'm gonna stop trading Mondays if there's no news. If there's no news on a Monday, I'm gonna just chill, cause it just be trash, bro. We got news tomorrow, FOMC. Let me see. Let me go in the group chat. Yeah, we got news tomorrow, FOMC. And then we got unemployment claims on what's that, Thursday?
Oh,
So
okay.
I'm gonna be
I
here
see
early
what
on
I'm
Thursday too.
Look.
I'm be on,
Damn, I was gonna drop. Never mind.
I'm gonna be here early on Thursday, 8:30, and then Friday I don't trade flash PMI. So you'll probably ask why. It's just one of those news events that I just don't fuck with. Like FOMC, I don't trade. For CPI, I don't trade CPI. I don't trade when Powell speaks, and I don't trade flash PMI. So definitely won't be on the charts on Friday.
Oh, that's gonna up the interest rates.
I don't trade flash PMI. Just don't. It's not a favorable news event for how I trade. But you, bro. I feel like everyone should deep dive into their strategy. If you're a swing trader, you might not need to. You might not give a fuck about what news events is happening. But if you're an intraday slash scalper, you should worry about what the news events is happening because that.
Oh,
shit will fuck you up.
yo, look. I could now see why the sell happened, but it was a bit extreme. Shoot, I can zoom in. Let me see here.
Zoom in for a while.
Let me see here. Wait. Yep, there you go. Look.
I had took a sell. Well, I set a limit, and she went.
That same thing drew up.
You just got tapped into a sell right before 9:30. You sick, bro.
Yo, bro, I set it at the order block. That's what I'm expecting. I did it yesterday too.
9:30. Oh, look at 9:30. Pull it in. Let me drop on the five.
Look, yep. Look,
That shit goes crazy.
Hey,
Hold on, Brody. It's the 9:30 open. It's the 9:30 open. We gotta pay attention. Hold on. You better hope it don't come back for that shit, cause it already gave us a lot. It already gave us a lot, bro. So
yeah, no.
a sell on the 9:30 is tough. Very tough. Let's see. 9:30, 9:35.
That's not marked though. That's like grand mark. Is that where you could erase that? I guess I'm not gonna worry about it.
I baited just as now though, cause I was still setting the fib. That quick drawdown she went straight to TP3 and wigged back.
So you didn't get out?
No.
That's why. You see my system. You see this shit that I have. So once I create, let me move my face real quick. So say I want to get into a trade, right? I put my lot lines here. Oh shit, that you might still be good, bro. I'm not gonna cap. You might still be good, but I put my lot lines here. Once I want to get into a trade, wherever I put my stop loss, it already put the TP and stop loss in place. So if I want TP, 2 to 3 to 1. Let's say I want 3 to 1. I could add it 3 to 1 right here, and it already boom, stop loss in place, TP in place. So I never have to worry about that too. So that's another thing out the way. So it makes I'm like a lot less thinking about how to manage a trade. That's out the way. So all I'm focusing on is the trade itself, getting in on the trade and executing on that perfectly. That's just a me thing, though. I'm telling you it helps, bro.
Yeah, just not hit the daily low. Now I'm gonna see how the price reacts on the daily low.
You at Nas went dumb. Oh, hold on, it's turning
I'm
around.
out. Fucking bitch.
That daily drawing liquidity. But I'll just wait till it creates the another candle, prints another candle. Yeah, it's taking money.
Yeah. She stopped me out.
Yeah, bro, I told you that was a risky one. You put
Nah, she hit it. It's just I ain't set the TP yet, so she fucking just wicked it instantly. I'm like, fuck.
I feel you. Gotta have these things,
Light loss.
bro. The software that I have only cost me I think like $50 or some shit like that, and I own it now. It's like an EA, but it's an EA that you manage. It doesn't trade for you. Look into it, bro. It's called Trade Assistant MT5. Look into it, bro. It can help. I'm telling you, it can help. It can help with the management of trades. If you know where you want to get in, just all you need to know is your stop loss. If you know where you want to get in, and where your stop loss is at, it does everything for you. It does a pip calculation. It does the stop loss. It does the take profit. It does everything for you, bro.
Let's see. I feel like I could just do it myself. That'll be a problem.
Bro, that was a problem. You just missed your TP3. It was a problem.
Outside.
I took your fourth level fibs. On the fibs, right? And even if it's going in direction, if it's your third level fibs or fourth level fibs, just expect a reversal.
I don't know what you mean.
No, see the fib, right? The fib not your traceable.
The one that I have on the screen?
Yeah.
This is not even the fibs. This is just the TP levels. I'm not gonna cap TP.
Oh, okay. I thought
yeah, this not fibs. This is just TP levels. This is just where I
oh yeah, the TP levels. Then yeah, if it hits your third TP levels or second TP levels, just expect a reversal.
No, all the time shit. It don't even hit TP1 and it reverses.
Oh, that too. Not negating.
Look at NAS, bro. It went to TP4. I'm gonna show you on TradingView. NAS went to TP4, bro. Come on, fix up. TP4. TP4. That's crazy, bro. But as I said, I'm a 1-to-1 trader. I'm gonna get better as time goes on, but for right now, I just want to stick to 1-to-1s. Everybody preaches, you should have 2-to-1, but I see people who do 1-to-1s and they're successful. It's not like I don't see it. I see it. People are doing it. You could be successful from doing it. There's multiple people that I see that do it and they're successful.
You know what it is? Like, shoot, you said it so many times. It's a psychology. Like, are you okay with 1-to-1s? If you're not psychologically okay with 1-to-1s,
I'm okay with 1-to-1s.
You're okay with 1-to-3s and go on the 3s. This is how you build.
Like yesterday, you seen it. I lost. It wasn't a full 1-to-1, so I closed a little early, but it was close enough. I'm gonna post it here. Yesterday I lost $459. Today I made $500. So I'm okay with the 1-to-1s. It's cool. Like it will happen that I will lose, then win, and then win, then lose.
Look at this hole. Fuck. What was that?
What happened? See, it took out the daily low, but I have a problem with it. I already said why I have a problem with it in the first place.
Keep telling you, bro. You see
talking
those
about this
lows?
buyback up. What the fuck did we just reject off of?
For the daily low.
No, not for the low. I'm talking about this after we did the sweat the low just now and this buyback up. What the fuck do we reject from? There's nothing there.
Those yesterday's, yeah, we checked it off for yesterday's logo, pretty much. But yeah, there's no structure on top of that.
Oh, average.
Oh, listen. It's dancing between Friday's low and yesterday's low. That's what's
You know,
happening.
you got
You
gotta
got
get
the
you,
structure.
gotta get you some 1 minute experience.
Bro, I'm going on a 5.
That
Bro,
1 minute.
I'm going on a 5, bro. I told you I took a shit and that shit hit
You gotta,
TP, bro.
like, just watch it. Like, just watch it.
No, literally, it's literally respecting it. Like, I'm not even BSing right now.
Watch it on a 1 minute. You know, just look at how structure works on that shit. You know, once you view it, just view it from time to time. You'll see it. Like, okay,
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. Like, let me take this purple box out and control it. Because structure is clean on the 1 minute. It's not like it's fucked up. Like, look right here. See that those wicks right
okay,
there?
that's what
Boom.
we see. That's what we rejected off of. Okay, that's what I was asking for. Like, Pino drew it up.
Look
That's
at
what I'm
all.
like, what the fuck
Right
did
now.
you buy up to, my nigga?
Look at all these. You see all the lows? It created a low wick. Came back retest. Came back retest. Came back retest. Came back retest.
Come
Came
on,
back
bro. We
retest.
go extort the 1 minute, bro.
Could, but can I do it effectively? No, I know myself. I know
I
I
say you
can't do
gotta
it.
take every one, but you could find that A+ setup one on the 1 minute. You feel me? Right from
I
the
agree
high
with
to
you,
low,
bro.
you could be. That's the whole move with the bare minimum risk.
I want to say I agree with you, bro. I'm just not that skilled, bro. I'm not that skilled in the 1 minute, so I don't want to.
learn, bro.
I don't want to
It's
risk
learn.
it, bro. And even with the 1 minute, you could put less risk on it too. Well, it's not less risk. You could put less stop loss size. Yeah, let's say the
Yes,
stop
that's
loss
how I
size.
like it because it's literally minimum input for maximum output.
That's what's the platform owner of the funded trader. He was saying a lot of people who pass prop firms is because they would put a high lot size with small ass risk, and then boom, that should take off.
No, 'cause you gotta
But he said those people don't
understand.
last. Those people don't. They blow accounts all the time. Those people don't last.
Oh, you know why people do that? Because these prop firms, they make it to where you're to stay in, you have to be an intraday trader. You can't be a swing trader necessarily. No, because you could be your analysis could be right, but if it goes in huge drawdown, you lose that account.
True. True.
Well, FTMO is, I think, yeah, FTMO is the only platform where you could be in huge drawdown as long as you don't close the trade. They're not going to count that against you.
Really?
Well, I don't know.
I don't
know
think
if I'm
that's
doing that.
true, bro. I don't know if that's. I think all
No,
of them
I'm
is
talking
kind
about
of the
when you're in
same.
a trade in huge drawdown.
Yeah, yeah, no, I
You
hear
need
you.
to trade on.
I just don't think that's true.
Nah, I'm wrong on that, I think.
Yeah, I think you're fucking wrong on that, bro. I think they all the same shit, bro. I'm not gonna cap, but they all the same shit.
No, 1 minute, bro.
The 1 minute's fire, cause look, let's just say hypothetically speaking, cause my stop loss placement was based off the 5 minute. So if I was supposed to get in, let's say the same place I got in, my stop loss would be right here, and easily I would have got the TP in 3 minutes instead of 5 or 6 or whatever, how long it took.
Come on, bro.
And I
That's
could
a
have,
one-
I could have got a
that's a- What's
TP.
that? A 1 to 4?
I,
Come on,
that
you see how
it could have got there. You're right. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying, can I do it? Can I effectively do it?
very much. You know how to trade. Its structure works the same on every time.
All right, let me go back to tomorrow.
Feel me?
Yesterday.
That's not saying just do your top down, but then when it's time to get in, go drop to the 1. Wait, I mark up on a 5, and then I go look at the 1.
Yeah,
That
even
was when it comes to
yesterday, I
trading.
still would have lost. Still would have lost based off the 1 minute yesterday because it didn't do any shit. It didn't do anything, so I would have lost regardless.
No, I
But
think
it's
gold-
structural. Huh?
I think on gold, to survive on gold, you want to focus on external liquidity.
We don't trade gold over here, my boy. We don't trade gold.
No,
Well,
the reason
you
why
probably
is because-
could trade gold, but I don't trade gold.
No, the reason why because within the internal liquidity, too much BS goes on. But an external liquidity is like a smooth sail. You're smooth sailing.
I get what you mean.
Yeah, we bullshitting in this area right now.
Gold is a different monster, bro. I'm telling you. When you trade gold, that's all you need. You don't really need to trade nothing else. It's a trade goal. That's it.
The 1 minute. Tell you. That shit right there. And the way the 1 minute be retesting off the big ass zones, it be like, look at this. The perfect break and retest.
It's a good break and retest. You can see break.
No, down there. Like, yo, bro, you missed that trade. She break that whole zone. Retest right off. Look at that. Look.
I could see.
Bro,
I would have
What
to
were you
develop
talking
a
about?
strategy around it, though. For real, I'd have to
I'm just
develop
saying,
a
no,
strategy
literally
around it.
use it. No, you could literally use how you trade now.
True. But my stop loss. I'll back test it.
Saying
How
that
about
with
this?
the
I'll
stop
back
loss
test.
being so
I'll
tight,
give it some back testing. I'll back test it. I can't promise you I
the
can do
stop
it,
loss
but I'll
being so
back test it.
tight, you could take about 3. You could take about 3 though. So like, let's say what you be risking? You said a percent a day, right?
Yeah,
could
one or
break- you
two,
could break-
one or two.
You could break that up within 3 trades,
Mm.
and because it's tight, you're not losing much. But like, if you do win, that's double, triple in the account, easy. You gain 3% off of, not even, you get probably like 1-2% off of a 0.3% risk.
You have a point. I hear what you're saying. I'm not disagreeing with you at all. I hope you don't think that.
I just know on the 30 it could get crazy. This shit is volatile. I'm not like the days where she's not moving fluidly, those are the days I say, yeah, I get fucked up. Like, oh my god, bro, she's wicking everything.
Stop loss. It could work.
But that's why I be using the confluence of my 5 minute. It's
Could
like,
work.
let me get the 5 minute zone going.
Could work. Could work.
Give me more room, but the 1 minute may get a perfect entry.
You're making me think about the one, man. I'm not gonna cap.
Yo,
'Cause
bro,
I
I'm
can
telling
see
you,
the
bro.
structure is there.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling
Potentially
you, I
is-
had the time where I looked at the 1 minute, was like, I don't know how niggas do this. Like, this is automatic death. Like, don't even do it to yourself. I don't even see how a pro do it. You just gotta learn it. This skill now is definitely learned.
Now the thing is, if you want to trade the 1 minute, you gotta have specified zones within the 5 minute.
Right. That's the
1 minute.
that's the exact thing. You gotta be specific off the 1 minute or off the 5 minute.
Yeah,
Exactly
that's a
how you're
fact.
gonna get in. So
1 minute entry, your 5 minute zone. That's a what? You risking no more than probably 10, 15 points. You can get it quick off the 30. That's a quick 60-point move off that zone. That's like, oh shit, you get that shit in 2 minutes.
I mean, shit, you gotta see it and catch them when you catch it. If you miss it,
Oh, I literally caught it yesterday. I caught the buy. I caught the 50-point buy into the 100-point sell.
I did
The
see
buy
that.
the buy wasn't with that shit was a 10-point risk.
I want to say you did get lucky off of that, though, bro. I'm not gonna
True.
lie.
Not lucky. That's structure, bro. That's how lucky it works.
nah, you know what it is. If you want to trade the 1 minute, even down to the 5 minute, you have to be a surgeon with this shit. If you're not a surgeon with this shit,
Oh, nah, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be
Type shit,
cool.
type shit.
And it's that's the thing about it too. It's about speed. Trading on the 1 minute, it's all about speed.
Yeah, but that's
'Cause
with that.
you can't be
I
slow.
Try not to fuck with. I try not to fuck with market execution. Straight limits.
Yeah, I do limits. Even on the
limits-
5 minute, I'm slow. Even on 5 minute, even on 5 minute, I'm slow. I gotta use market executions because I'm slow.
I got the zone, just set it. It's like, all right, this is where I like it best. We supposed to come back here anyway, so I'm gonna just set the limit here because I know whenever opening bell, news, etc. Once the volatility come kicked it in, we gonna hit it, and then that could be it's either she gonna run it through it and stop me out, or she gonna do that reversal, and wow. Like you see for opening bell, we got that. We went up and then we got the quick wick down to TP3. I was supposed to be out, but I done had a TP set, unfortunately, so I got caught up in that nonsense.
So you get the software, bro. Get the software, bro. Let me introduce you to it.
I'll look into it. But right there, in reality, that's a trade one. I'll live with the loss because it's a little loss. I'll live with it. Fuck it. It happens. It was a 13. Yes, sir.
9:30 off the 9:30. But I would even say, even still, off the 9:30 open, I still wouldn't take that next 1 minute sell or buy. It would have to
Oh no,
5
yeah,
minutes after
people
the
gonna
5
do it
minutes.
before me. I don't take it every time, but if she show me something, it's like okay, like I was saying I was like I don't see nothing, but then I seen a quick 5 minute on the block, so I was like I am set the limit at it. She bought right up to it.
And say I would have to backtest this to kind of create some rules, because I already have my rules to what
Yeah,
I do on
that's
a
what I'm
five
saying.
minute.
You could always tweak it to your rules. That's what I'm saying. Whatever you risk it for your daily, now just try to probably break it up. If you want to take more trades based on, it's different from me because like I said, based on your zones, it's it's all based on how big the zones is. So I got to overall how much I know I want to lose for the day. So if I want to lose 1% for the day, I trade I trade based off that 1% because it's like the zones could be any size any day. I don't know. So if I got two big ass zones, and I might have to lower my trades. I have to do less trades. But if it's a lot of little zones, I can up it.
True that.
But that just means more trades, little risk. But if I do win these trades, that's maximum reward. With the same risk I'm risking with one big ass hole, 1% risk,
These fucking
and,
telemarketers.
and a 2% goal in one trade. When I could end up losing the same, but actually winning way more differently.
Oh shoot, I'll say this, like for like today, I would like to go on the sell for NAS, but it's not a good price for the sell.
NAS sales, sales on NAS, bro. I think you
Yeah,
should reevaluate that thought. Do you see how far it went? Do you see how much it did?
that's what I'm saying.
I want.
That's what I'm.
It already took out London lows too of yesterday, so I wouldn't. NAS now, nah. That shit went.
No,
It did
no,
damage.
even early in the morning, I like was not
Yeah,
comfortable
yeah.
looking for sales.
NAS in the morning, that shit's clean. But right now, that shit already took out London lows for today and yesterday. That shit's probably done. It's exhausted. It shit is, it need a break. Like even if you take sales now, it's like where would you put your stop loss? Where would you
Oh,
be
yeah,
comfortable?
I always thought about it like this. Think of it like a person running. Like when a person's running and whatnot, they done. They ain't trying to do none of that. They just trying to relax.
Yeah, so they're gonna consolidate. They're gonna break. Take a timeout. So US32, it ran the London lows. So let me put it right there. Let me get the arrow. Ran the London lows right here, and it ran London lows yesterday. Now it's taking a break. I guess it's deciding where it wants to go next. But it already ran the lows, London lows, and London lows yesterday. Today. I think it's tired. I think it's maxed out its potential. You don't
Yeah.
really get all explosive days in the same type of, like, same day. You won't get super explosion.
Oh, okay, I see. Nah, yep. I'm seeing what I'm saying about the play. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, it's gonna be another do nothing today. But it did do a big move before the market opened.
It already did it. It already did its thing, bro. So I mean, it's okay to not trade. I want you to understand that it's okay. Anybody, it's okay to not trade, bro. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing happens. Trust me. It's not like if you don't trade, someone dies. Nothing happens. You just doesn't do anything. You save some money. You save some time. You save some mental capital. You save energy. Oh shit, that's my computer. Why I did that? I'm bugging out right now. Is that me or is that somebody else? No, that's me. Never mind. I should bugging out. Ooh, US30. No, Naz is turning around again. Naz saying, I'm not tired, bro. I don't get tired. US30. Tired. That bitch said, hold on, bro. Alright, what do I got on my schedule for today? Nothing too crazy. What y'all boys fucking with for today?
Ain't shit. Chilling.
Shit. Go to the gym after this.
Oh, okay. The market used Friday's low as a swing low, pretty much, giving an extra push down. But like I said, it's exhausted. It don't hit the.
It's exhausting.
It didn't move that much during London.
You might get another push in the little PM session though. You might, definitely might. Let's see 10 o'clock though. I want to see how 10 o'clock, because volume does come in around 10 o'clock. So might get even a push around that time too. Wake up, jam, doing railroad learning. Wednesdays be trash. My vocab. What time y'all be getting up before the like? What time y'all wake up and then trade, or
I
do y'all
wake
get
up at like 6 a.m. or something or 7.
I think I get up around 6:37.
I was about 8.
Try to create as a do you Dyson? Do you full time trade?
Yeah, I'm just now starting getting full time trading.
So advice as a full time trader, you should create a schedule for yourself, some type of routine. If you don't have a routine for yourself, you see yourself sitting around the charts a lot longer than you're supposed to. You'll start looking for trades that are not there, because you're just sitting around the charts. Definitely create a schedule.
Oh, shoot. I produce music. I guess incorporate producing music, exercising and shit.
Yeah,
My schedule.
produce music, go to the gym. I don't know, just walk in the wilderness. Where you live? Florida. Yeah, I remember. You
Yeah.
said Florida. Yeah. So there's definitely some trees around you. Walk in the trees, hug some trees. I'm just fucking around. But definitely creating a schedule to live by, definitely important. Because having a life outside of trading is important. Trading can't be everything.
Uh-huh.
Oh shit, I didn't post it.
It's about to start getting cold.
For y'all, us Florida boys, we don't experience that shit. We probably experience some storms though. It's about to hit hurricane season soon. And I think October is hurricane season.
Yeah, it's market. That's cool. I ain't see a setup that I'm looking for. I ain't see a setup. It is what it is.
That's it, bro. It is what it is. Life goes on.
Trading tip number. Trading tip number.
Yes, I see a setup and go for it, but Oh, the central bank range, so I should try to go for the sales instead. Mm. I mean, if I caught that sale, earlier I would, got in, but it's cool. I ain't tripping over for that.
I'm telling you, it's clip, bro. Just, I'm not gonna lie to you. Definitely look like the trading day is done. Not for Nas. What the fuck? Nas said, hold on. Hold on. I got more. I got more in me. Damn, that shit is... Bro, even US30 turning back up again. Wow. I told you, they're not done. I'm telling you, all those lows, they're coming for these lows. They're all at the same place. It's so easy, bro. It's like taking food from a fucking baby, bro. It's right there. They're all right. All of the lows are... I should have held this. But as I said, I'm a one-on-one trade. I don't even want to have regrets.
Yeah, like the ideal sell would have been that the sweep of Asians high or that fair value.
Look at this shit. I'm telling you, this shit is...
Okay, let me see something. Oh, okay, I see fair. Yep, I see fair value on the 5 minute on the Nasdaq number. See, yeah, but it's not 10 o'clock. I was waiting till 10 o'clock, but it happened before 10 o'clock. I'm still mark it up anyways.
Let's see, 10 o'clock of volume. I really just want to see what 10 o'clock does. Let's see if we can see whatever it does, and then I'll pack it up for the day, because that 8:30 move blessed me. Happy, very satisfied with that 8:30 move.
Girl, who told you a lie like that?
Chat.
See, today this is some bullshit. We ain't doing nothing, literally.
It's just dropping, bro. As you see, it's just dropping.
This is ugly. That structure. The two up perfectly into the zone.
Mm-hmm. They ain't even come back to that fair value. It just no, I'm just gonna just go straight down.
10 o'clock volume.
Okay, oh yeah, okay, there you go. All right, if this close, I gotta see the next 5 minutes. See how that closed. If it closes right there underneath there, then yeah, that's a whole another fair value. And then boom, I can see another continuation on the downside, and I continue on the sell, depending on how that closes up.
That shit's gone. That shit gone. I told you this shit. I told you all of those lows. I told you this morning. All of those lows are sitting at the same exact place. They're all there. It's coming for that. They're all at the same place. It's coming for that.
1 minute. A 2. Now I need 4 more minutes. Give me 4 more minutes. Then tell me, I can go to the 1 minute. Oh, okay. In the 1 minute, I see the fair value was created, but I'm looking at the 5 minute. Oh, in the respect of that 1 minute fair value, giving you that continuation on the sales, on the downside of the sell.
We already got 7 forgot. We already got rockets with reach new levels. I need something.
Oh, wow. I see. Damn. I'm on the 1 minute. I
He's
see.
going right now. Oh my god.
The fair value was created right around that Friday's low.
What should it be? What should it be?
Yeah, and then when it kept going down on the sell. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the chat. I don't know what I'm. Nah, I should have put it on trading view. It would have made a lot of sense.
Easy win. This
Damn,
is a banger today.
like, give
Like,
you
it's
that.
still
Yeah,
going up.
hop on the 1 minute, right?
But bro, you
And
gotta
then
understand,
mark
bro.
up the Friday's low.
Damn, bro, US30's
Yeah.
gone, bro. Oh shit. Oh, I told it, bro. I told niggas, bro. Don't hold your breath. US30 is gone. That shit is gone. Sales is going to dominate today,
You
bro.
can see the group just doing good, bro.
Damn.
I really saw it.
She bugged out just now. She left this. She left niggas. You know,
Like I stated before, I mean, I would have went on the sale. It was a good price, but all that happened on Friday, I was not vibing with it. Like if it was, structure that made some sense, I would go with it. But
Trading tip number infinite.
Damn. This dude got this AI and he's going crazy with passing challenges. Damn, I need to create an AI that can go crazy in passing challenges, bro. He's selling the fuck out that shit, bro. He charging niggas $400 to pass 100K, and $1,000 or $900 to pass 200K. And he already knocked down like 500 accounts.
I would never pay a nigga to try to pass.
Bro, niggas is doing it. There's a market for it. Niggas is actually paying niggas to pass the what the US30.
And you wanna know what's funny? Niggas is getting that live
And they're blowing
that shit.
blowing it. Cause they don't know how to do it. They don't know what they're doing.
Blowing
That shit, bro. Gone. Cause they don't know they don't know how to get to there. So they know how to maintain it.
oh no, you can come up with your own trading bot that trades.
Oh, this shit bugging, bro.
That shit, and look at this. I told you, bro. I told you. This shit is going for them lows. It's a guarantee. All of the lows are at the same place. There's nowhere the market is not going for that. Somebody's stop loss is down there.
Yeah, fair value was created, and if it goes and respects that, right now on the 5 minute, the fair value was created. Now I'm gonna see how that market reacts to that fair value. If it goes and respects it, yeah, you're gonna keep it continue perpetual sell off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she started bugging. I don't like how right before she left.
She took you out.
Yeah, when those 2 buy candles up, she wicked my entry again, and then fell.
Oh no, yeah, you can have a bot create your trading strategy and shit. I forgot. So yeah, it's called EA Builder though. But you have to learn how to do it. I'm in the midst of creating my own strategy, so I got the bot trade how I trade without me looking at my computer. I mean, I still look on the computer, or my VPS, but I'm gonna have to trade the way I trade pretty much.
Big bamboo again. Big bamboo ring again. 30. She could left us. Yeah, that fed I had on, she massacred TP6 just now.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. I'm gonna show y'all again. I'm gonna show y'all again the reason why it did it. Cause all of the lows are at the same spot. We got Friday,
Oh, we seen the setup. Niggas
Friday,
seen this
Tuesday,
setup.
Wednesday, Monday, like a whole week's low is at one exact same spot. I probably have never seen that before. A whole week's low is all at the same spot. All of it at the same spot, bro. There's no way the market's not coming for this. I thought it was gonna do it yesterday.
Yeah, you know what? If you came in on the in the afternoon PM session, you'd have been chilling in damn near 200 pips already.
Man, if I just set and forget on this trade, account passed. Not gonna cap. This is TP20. What the fuck?
I just want you to know you told me I was late for selling before the bell, but my entry was one of the best entries for this move right here.
I mean, you got stopped out.
Yeah, bro, she literally went 1 point over the stop.
You got stopped out. So, would you say it's the best entry? No, you can't say it's the best entry if you got stopped out.
Best entry, literally point of interest, entry, best entry. I just had a tighter stop, you know. It's all how you manage your stop, because you could have took that same trade, but I had a 25-point stop. Feel me? We got the same entry though.
Bro, we don't got that. My entry is deep. My entry is all the way up there.
No, I'm saying if we was to have the same entry. I mean, the point of interest, like she rejected the area where I was looking for her to reject from. I just happened to get stopped out.
Wait, are you trading
part of the game.
Are you trading US30 or the NASDAQ?
30.
Oh yeah, 30. You want to use 30 pips. 30 pip stop loss, so 25 pips. But on the NASDAQ, you want to use like 50 pip stop loss.
Nah, bro, I just put it based off how big the zone is. That's all.
Okay. No, I'm saying in general consensus, like within your, with how it moves and whatnot.
I'm telling you, I'm Gucci with it. She respects them. Sometimes I got 7-point zones.
Oh, impressive. No, that is impressive.
Man, what the fuck? This is impressive, bro. I'm not gonna cap. I really wish I was. Look, TP5 already got hit. Now it's like TP20, TP10 at least. Damn. I just want to pass this damn account already. Fuck. I want to get to the funding stage and make a first payout, bro. You don't even understand. Like, I've never gotten a payout. Never gotten a payout. That shit is frustrating, bro. Since last year. All right, let me tell you a story. Last year, in October, is the first time I ever passed a challenge. I passed first the phase 1, phase 2. I blew that shit before Thanksgiving. Before Thanksgiving, I blew it. I have never passed another account since then. But the truth was, the way I was trading at that time was wicked. Like, I was
not the current today. Yeah,
nah, it's not the current me today. I had no risk management. I was just throwing a lot size on a play I seen.
I was so aggressive.
I was sending that shit. I was aggressive as fuck, and I added. So I passed it.
100K. I only took 100K. When I fell, my shit was devastated because I was trading so aggressive. But like, that's when my point of entries was. Sometimes I would get in a trade, I would see it, but I wouldn't know how to elaborate it. So I would just be like second guessing it and be like, I'm gonna add heavier just cause I like it. But then when that shit go wrong, I didn't know when to get out.
Right. You was fucked up, and you was like, nah, it's coming back. I believe in it. Like, bro, when I got my first live, and it wasn't even live because it's still a demo, but when I passed it, I'm like, yo, we getting to 100K this year. Nigga, I started off that account crazy in drawdown. I think I was in drawdown like $4,000 or $5,000 after I passed it. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna dig myself out of this hole. Nigga, I spent from November to December trying to dig myself out that hole. I never digged myself out that hole. I was fucked up for months over this account. I just gave up on it. I never passed it. Well, I never got the payout because I was always in drawdowns. Just dropped. I left it. But damn, bro. To all the way from October to now, which is about to be October again, I've never passed another account. So this is full transparency. I'm live streaming on YouTube too, so this is not just to y'all. This is for everybody on YouTube. I've never passed another account. That shit just gets me so fed up. It's like, oh man.
Yeah, because it's like you know you can do it. The plan is there to do it.
And I trade way better now. It's like, oh.
Yeah, I feel you. I feel like I should be dead ass past success in one day with this risk to reward. We feel I be coming in here with it's like game changing, nigga.
Bro,
What the
it
fuck?
gets me so fed up, bro.
I be talking to myself like, yo, bro. You could literally catch one opening bell move and pass this test. Stop playing. Like I be playing my potential, bro. Because sometimes I get hesitant. Like that's why I feel like when I get in the funders, when it starts coming to me actually playing with these lots, now I start getting to myself in my head. I see a couple of points. I saw like the lower lots because like I'm trying to do the points in my head, so I know it's the points. Don't look at the money because once I look at the money, now the enemy like, yo, that look nice. We could take that right now. To be honest, you know, start fucking up the whole trade. But it's like, yo, bro, what I was actually looking for always ends up playing out. My TP56 always plays out with minimum risk, and it's like, yo, bro, you would have just left it. Like, why you don't do it over here? You always fuck yourself over. Then when I take it, I try to get in again. Now I start fucking myself up because I get caught up in the manipulation. It's like,
And then you don't know when to let go.
ate out the whole day right there. I was like, oh my god.
Man. Full transparency, bro. This shit is hard, bro. It's hard right now. I know once we pass 1 and then 2 and then we have like 10 funded accounts and then we like up them, then it's like, oh, this shit is easy.
Next funded I get, I'm passing that shit, nigga. I've been on a live for a minute and I've been fake doing my thing with the whole trading plan instead. I know like once the time to just do the lots again, it's like simple, bro. Cause I'll read TP3, depending on these fib sizes, that TP3 be like 50 points. And then I'll partial out most of it, and then she always will run the TP6. She basically giving me what I just made from my TP3 partials. And that's doubling the account right there. But once I do that with the higher lots, it's like, yo, bro, this shit is gonna grow tremendously. Let me stop playing, bro. Just, if I lose, I lose. But these wins, oh my god. These losses don't even look like shit.
I ain't gonna cap, bro. I'd be pissed off, son. I'll be pissed off that I'm not actually further than I wanted to be. I'm not gonna cap, bro. And I feel like I did put in work. But to this day, I feel like I could put in more work, or there's definitely more to be done.
Like, I'm sorry, I just missed this fucking set, nigga, when we all seen this shit.
Man.
Nah, the reason why, like I said, it was no structure. Like, there was no structure for it.
I'm an asshole.
But look at
I'll
the
be
1
back
hour
on
and then
Thursday.
down to the 4 hour. Yeah, but I didn't know it was gonna be a breakout sell. But at the same time, I was assuming it's not gonna do anything like that.
Man.
Now this bitch falling non-stop.
Non-stop. With no breath. It's nothing. It's not tapping out, bro. Look at that. No.
Like, let me see, bro. From my entry, this shit would be at 130 points from my entry, nigga. What?
Nigga, from your entry? From my entry? I would have been crazy. Let me see from my entry. Let me get the ruler. For my entry was right here. To here, 180 points. What? Damn.
Yeah, I should have been looking when you was on. I would have been in there too.
Bro, I was trying to post it. As I told you, I was just trying to run and take a shit. That shit took off. I didn't even get the, cause I usually always post it before, it start going in whatever direction it decides to want to go in.
But how I see you going, bro. 1 minute. Just, He taking it. Oh, he driving. Look at this shit.
It's okay, bro.
I get tight though, cause when you see shit like this, now you know you. It's like, damn, you ain't seen a good move for a minute.
For a minute, bro. For a minute.
You ain't seen a good move.
No. That's cap. I was actually a part of the move from last week. Last week Friday, I think it was last week Friday or last week Thursday. It was a rocket. You know, you seen it. You see it.
Buy up.
Yeah, the good buy up. I was a part of this. I was a part of this buy up. I took it to TP1. Obviously, I was a part of the buy up though. I wasn't a part of the sell off on Friday though, but I was a part of the buy up on Friday. That's crazy. It's just damn. So there was a good move that happened last week Thursday and Friday.
It was.
Blah, 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 blah.
9 o'clock, 8:30.
Nah, this cell was A1. A fucking
Thursday. What was Thursday? PPI. Oh yeah, I remember. Thursday was PPI. That's why I went crazy. That's what I be saying. Every time there's news, 8:30 news, markets go nuts. I love 8:30 news.
Mm.
oh, I mean,
Oh, now it's buying up.
did we hit a low? I need to go to the high
think
top
so.
frame.
I don't think it hit low.
We didn't hit shit.
Okay, now let's see if it's gonna respect that fair value.
One thing I would say is a fucking page 4 order block down here. I don't even know what to expect off that shit.
Yeah, I know who. Maybe I'm wealthy. He's like a Spanish trader.
Nah.
Yeah. He up 70 grand today. Alex G up 50. Damn. When I see numbers like that also brings back motivation. Cause I'm like, all right, niggas is doing it. It's still possible, bro. Niggas is doing it. It's possible. Even these numbers right now, I made $500 today, but it could easily be 5,000 or 50. It could, one day it could get there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I look at them all the same because it's the points.
Yeah, it's all the points. Just
all the points.
knowing
Which
how to
is,
trade.
a lot changed. The numbers look different.
No, if you got like a 50K, I'll just say 100K account, all you need is 30 points and you make a lot of money.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You see, I be trying to look for the bare minimum risk because it's like, yo, bro, I was looking to risk 13 points. That shit just shot at 130 from there. What the fuck, nigga? What is the ratio on that?
Yeah.
It's like damn near 1 to 10.
Oh, that's beastie. You feel
beastie,
me?
bro.
Like,
It's beastie, bro. I need to go hold you. I'm still holding the faith, bro. I'm rocking. I'm with y'all, man. I'm holding the faith. I hope y'all hold.
I'm just telling you, don't sleep on the 1 minute. There's opportunities down there that you don't know you have with there if you just take a look at it.
Should have still not trading the 30, sir.
You just ain't give it a try yet, but you really look at it, be like, yo, what the fuck, nigga? Oh my Jesus.
Oh my jeez Louise.
1 minute entry doing this from me. What is going on?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk away because the longer I stay here, the more I'm like, damn.
That's not in the tape. It's not in the tape.
There's nothing to take. I'm not here.
That's what I'm glad I grew as a trader. Because I know when I miss this, it's just like, damn, I missed it. I gotta wait. I'm not eager to get in because it's like, nah, you just asking for death.
Yeah. Trying to get into a cell here? Oh,
I know clear as day that you missed the move and she gotta go hit something. And let me go find what she gotta go hit. Damn, that's a long way away. I gotta wait. It's like, fuck it. Now I'm just here looking like, okay, let me see how we move down there, how structure plays. Or like, I don't mind looking at I always look at this shit. Watch how the 1 minute moves, how everything moves, how she just plays out in general. See what she do differently every day.
That's a fact. Y'all boys, I'ma holler at y'all, man. I'll be back on Thursday. I don't trade Wednesdays.
No Wednesdays?
Nah, I don't trade Wednesdays.
Oh man.
You know that, bro. You know that already. You know that.
Send that screenshot on Wednesday. Me up.
Send that screenshot, bro. Tell me how FOMC goes, but I'm not gonna be around the charts on Wednesday.
I bet.
Man, it's gonna convert the fair value gap. So it's gonna be a quick little. I'll take profits at that point. Whoever's in that sell. I mean, you in the sell, so I'll take profit.
Ain't nobody in there.
Ain't nobody in there. She's gonna. It don't mean ain't nobody in there, bro.